How to cancel CapCut subscription on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings. At the very top, you will find the Apple ID. Click on it. Now navigate to the option of subscriptions. Now in this page, you're going to find the section of active and inactive subscription. Under active subscription, you will find the option of CapCut. Click on it. With that, at the bottom left, you'll find the option of cancel subscription. You have to click on that option. You'll get the pop-up. Click on confirm cancellation. And just with that, you have cancelled the CapCut subscription. Now you will not be charged anymore, and the great thing is you can carry on using the CapCut app or account until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the CapCut app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily cancel CapCut app subscription on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.